Okay, so the app that we made is called Monsters in the Closet, and it's just a basic shooter like Space Invaders.
And it's a game that's meant for kids, mostly, although adults can play it too, although it's rather simple, I think. We built it to learn how to build games, I guess. It's like a beginner project.
And we figured this was the best way to use the animation lesson that we had for the Android app class, so it worked out pretty well and went pretty smoothly.
Wait, I'm trying to hit this thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Wait, this is not my best time. Hold on, I want to restart that. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, and that's the closet! It worked. Ah, the screaming sound. Yep. So it's got good sound effects, and it's pretty to look at, and it just goes so quickly. The game is already over. Yeah.
Okay. So these are the blocks for our game, the Monsters in the Closet. It's just a simple shooter, kind of like Space Invaders. Up here, we have the block for the first timer, and really all the monsters are icons, and all the icons are on their own separate timer, and they descend the screen at a certain number. So the first one's going at 25 pixels a second. The second one over here is going at 20 pixels a second, and so forth. Down here is the block that controls the monster hitting the edge, and whenever they hit the edge, it basically ends the game. So it's all the other monsters are set to invisible, and the game over label pops up, and then you get a restart button. So if you hit the button, you start the whole thing over again. And we basically repeated that 3 other times also. You want to explain these ones?
Okay, and then to go on, the monster.collide_with makes it when the monsters collide with the bullet, the user gains a point. So the label that contains the points gains another point, which is right
there.
Right there. And then below this, when the monster collides with the shooter, the game ends. All the monsters go invisible, and a big game over label shows on the screen.
And a few of our blocks are missing. I think we overloaded the App Inventor database. I don't know if you can see it on that screen, but they're floating below the workspace down here. But we had the restart button, which basically reset everything that we set to invisible or disabled. Basically, when you click it, everything reverts back to a brand new game. And that's pretty much it for us. I think that's good.